A mechanical keyboard is a great investment for anyone who wants to improve their typing speed and accuracy. They are also more durable than regular keyboards, so you won't have to replace them as often. If you're on a budget, there are still some great options available. Here are the best budget mechanical keyboards. Our first choice is Steelseries Apex 3 TKL Gaming Keyboard. The Steelseries Apex 3 TKL RGB Gaming Keyboard is a tankless compact esports form factor keyboard that features 8-zone RGB illumination and is IP32 water and dust resistant. The keyboard has an English QWERTY layout and a detachable USB cable for easy storage and portability. The Apex 3 TKL RGB Gaming Keyboard is a great choice for gamers who are looking for a durable, high-performance keyboard that is still lightweight and portable. If you need the product details, please check the video description box. Our second choice is Trust Gaming GXT 865 Asta Mechanical Keyboard. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that has it all, then you need the Trust Gaming GXT 865 Asta RGB Mechanical Keyboard. This keyboard has red switches that are linear and silent, rainbow backlit keys, and a metal top plate. Plus, it's designed for UK layout. Whether you're a casual gamer or a professional sports player, this keyboard will give you the edge you need to win. Our third choice is Dierya 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Dierya 60 is a new and upcoming product that has many features that are very attractive to consumers. This keyboard has true RGB backlit, Bluetooth 5.1 technology, and is also wired and wireless. This makes it the perfect keyboard for people who want to use it for multiple devices such as their iPhone, Android phone, or PC. The Dierya 60 is a very reliable product and has great reviews. Our fourth choice is Stoga Wired Mechanical Keyboard. The Stoga Wired Keyboard with RGB LED backlit is a great choice for anyone looking for a quality keyboard. The backlit keys are perfect for gaming or working in low-light conditions. The Blue Switch Mechanical Keyboard provides a great typing experience. The anti-ghosting feature ensures that all of your keystrokes are registered. This keyboard is also compatible with Windows operating systems. If you need the product details, please check the video description box. Our last choice is Razer Cynosa V2 Membrane Keyboard. The Razer Cynosa V2 is a membrane mechanical keyboard that has soft spring-loaded keys, media keys, and cable management. It is fully programmable and has RGB chroma lighting. The UK layout makes it a great choice for those who want a keyboard that is easy to use and has all the features that they need. I hope you find your best budget mechanical keyboard. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.